How to use Google Calendar? In this video, I will review both web app and mobile app of Google Calendar. It's very easy and simple, so let's get started. First, I will show you how you can use it on the web. To use it, visit calendar.google.com. You must have a Gmail account in order to use it, or you can click on these dots in your browser after you log in, then click Calendar. Now you can see the live dashboard of Google Calendar with weekly preview. You can change the calendar preview from week to day, month or year as well. I'll keep it to week. Now I will show you how you can create an event on Google Calendar. To create it, click on the Create button. A drop down will open. Here, choose Event. Now, add a title for your event. For demo purpose, I will set it to team meeting. Then, you can change the date and time from here. To change it, click the calendar will open. Choose the date, the start and end time as well. Or if it's for all day, choose all day. Now, to add guests, click on Add Guests. Here, add email address of your guests. You can add as many as you would like to. For demo purpose, I will add 2 guests. Now, we can adjust the guest permission by clicking Guest Permissions, such as Modify Event. So, your guests can modify the event. They can invite others. They can see lists, so you can control everything. You can also allow them to join with Google Meet. Only up to 100 guests can join it. Then to add location, click here and add your event location. To add a description, click here. You can add the event details for your guests. I'll keep it simple and add a link. Now click See More to see further options. Here you will get bunch of more options, such as you can adjust the availability to free or busy for yourself. There are a bunch of other options as well. Now our event is ready, so it's time to save it. Now it will ask you to go back to editing. Don't send or send it. Once you click send, this will send invitation emails to all of your participants of the event. Now, if you scroll down on the left sidebar, you can see your calendar events here under your name. You can click 3 dots and change the colors of your events. You can also click the settings and sharing to change the settings of your calendar, such as you can change the calendar name, you can add some description, you can adjust the time zone for your calendar, you can change the owner, you can also share your calendar with other people's or groups. To add it, you can add their emails or names. Here, the permissions of the audience, such as they can see only free or busy, they can see all event details, make changes to event, make changes and manage sharing. So you can adjust all permissions from here. Once you're done, click send to send the invitation. Here you can change the calendar to make it public, or you can even keep it private. You can get a shareable link to share your calendar with the guests from here. Here you can change the event notification, so all guests can receive notification for events on this calendar by email or by notification, and you can adjust the timing as well. You can add many notifications as you would like to, such as 25 minutes, 10 minutes or even hours. There are other notification settings as well. You can review them by yourself. There are a bunch of other options available as well. To delete the calendar, you can click delete button and it will allow you to delete. Now it's time to create a task. So let's see how we can create a task in Google Calendar. To create a task, click on the Create button. A drop down will open. Then click Task. Here, it will ask you to add a title for your task. For demo video, we are setting it Review Weekly Report. Then you can adjust the date and the time of this task. Then you can add some description for your task. You can change the label from here, then save the task. And view all of your tasks in the Gmail account. If you open the Gmail account, on the right sidebar, click on the following icon. It will open all of your tasks. You can add more tasks directly from here as well. When you are done, you can check your task and they will disappear automatically. Now let's review the Google Calendar on mobile. Google Calendar has a dedicated mobile app for both Android and iOS. You can see all of your events and tasks on this calendar. You can see we had created a team meeting task and it's listed here as well. You can directly add more tasks by clicking plus button. Let's click on this task. As we click, you can see the complete task details here. You can also search for your events by clicking the search bar. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to subscribe for more.